And today, really looking at the Kuwaiti skyline and seeing how that advancement happened in the last, let's say, 20, 25 years, it's amazing.
We are a family business. We are happy with what we are doing. We succeeded till now.
Our company strategy, has been that as long as we have our share, what we consider is our reasonable share of the market in Kuwait, we do not want to go outside.
In 1954, Ahmadiyya Group was established by Abdul Latif Al Thuwaini and Najib Ibrahim Najjar, two entrepreneurs whose determined spirits brought them together to build projects based on the principles of reliability, quality, innovation, and fostering relationships. Their commitment and dedication led to a highly successful venture. Presently, the group is under the management of the second generation of the Al Thuwaini and Najjar families, who continue to keep the legacy and tradition that their fathers left behind.
Ahmadiyya has really been privileged all those years to be a major player with the private sector and with the governmental sector. So this is an advantage that we have. Sometimes when there is less work in the government, the private sector usually has more work, and vice versa.
Now we are much bigger than before. We have over 200 engineers working with us. We are making the turnover, the yearly turnover, which we like to make, even though we could double it if we want to. But we are conservative people. We never took big risk. We took calculated risk. And we succeeded.
As one of the oldest contracting and trading companies in Kuwait, Ahmadiyyas came to be known as one of Kuwait's leading names in civil engineering and building construction. The company's success has been credited due to its reputation for delivering and executing fast-track projects on time, but most importantly, understanding their clients' needs.
The particularity of Ahmadiyya, what distinguishes us from the other contracting firms in Kuwait, that from the 70s we were able to develop special projects with real estate developers on a design management built approach. And from the 70s till today, we have had a continuous flow of such projects, with many times with the same developers.
The company's solid corporate culture is reflected in the performance of its knowledgeable team of engineers and diligent employees. It is through their expertise and their ability to turn vision into reality that has contributed to Ahmadiyya's consistent achievements. Ahmadiyya is active in many segments of contracting, from the execution of government projects such as the Arab Fund headquarters, Amiri Diwan, Bayan Palace, the new VVIP Amiri terminal at Kuwait Airport, to commercial landmarks such as Kipco and the prestigious Al Hamra Tower.
We've done most of the high tower in Kuwait. I would say 60% of the tower in Kuwait we have done, not to name Al Hamra Tower, United Tower, Raya Tower, and or other towers. Most prestigious job we have done, it's been done in Kuwait, is by Ahmadiyya.
I think people chose Ahmadiyya because Ahmadiyya, it's one of the best company. They take care of their engineers, and they finish on time, and we always have work. We don't have to worry. We don't have to worry about year after.
Apart from the industrial projects that we did, like power stations, airport runways, bridges, cement factory, and the like, We did very high-end projects like the headquarters of the Arab Fund for Social and Economical Development in Kuwait.
One of their current projects under development is the National Bank of Kuwait's new headquarters, located in the heart of Kuwait City. This modern structure serves as another addition to Ahmadiya's illustrious portfolio.
NBK Tower is located in the financial district of Kuwait City, in one of the most prestigious areas, and it will be the headquarters for the National Bank of Kuwait full team. So all the branches will be here, all the administrative, special banking, private sector, everything will be located in this tower.
Salmia's waterfront project comprises of both an inland and marine component. The development, which took 32 months for its completion, consists of a marina, a cornice, a 5-star hotel, beach, recreational facilities, restaurants, shopping, and a 60-meter marina tower.
Most of the shopping mall have been done in Kuwait by Ahmadiyya, starting from Al Fanar, Al Bustan, Shark waterfront, Fahil waterfront. Now we are doing Al Kut mall, which is nearby in Fahil waterfront.
The highly sophisticated Araya Center complex is a 33-story tower that is a distinguished symbol of contemporary Kuwait. The property comprises of high-end retail brands, corporate offices, and a 4-star hotel.
Since 2008, when the crash happened, the international crash happened, Kuwait, being an oil producer, the prices of oil have jumped. Therefore, instead of having a crash like everywhere else, we had a boom, we had surpluses. As Ahmadiyya, we have been invited whenever there's a boom in any country. For example, when the first boom started in Dubai, and then Abu Dhabi, and then Qatar, and now there's a big also boom in Saudi. Whenever any of those happens in any one of those countries, we are always invited, but we did not go. We did not leave Kuwait, because Kuwait, our priority is here. And as I told you, unlike the other companies, we are growing conservatively with control.
Reaching its 60-year milestone, Ahmadiyya has always been a key contributor to the Kuwaiti construction sector. As the country's economy prospered, Ahmadiyya was at the forefront of developing its innovative infrastructure. Having built most of the skyscrapers that are gracing the country's skyline, there is no doubt that Ahmadiyya continues to deliver a quality of excellence and construction diversity that is difficult to compete with.